Now, when you log on, you got to make sure when we log on to your user account, there's a couple of things that we have to do for those before we actually start running.
That printer is which one? This one down here?
Yep.
Oh, it came with it?
Yep.
Can we, is that the best way?
I like a local one so that I get my data when I come out, because I want to take a copy of everything I've done and get back with me and stick in my engineering files. But you can also remote them. If you network it, then you can remote it also.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will warn you that your IT guys will give you a hard time about trying to network it because they run as fast as they can from Unix.
Right.
Okay. They're all MS and whatever the hell.
Yeah.
You know,
So,
you mentioned
they'll
Red
talk
Hat
about
Enterprise
security,
Linux,
right? I don't know
yeah,
about.
liable to give you all kinds of. They're good. They're better at making excuses. They'll spend more time than it takes to argue with you or tell you why they can't do it than
Right.
they'll tell you. And it will take to go give it a shot to do it. But I think there are some special evolutions of. I think the compatibility issue is transferring stuff from there to your server and your server protecting itself. Okay? So you got to get through the firewall and protection and stuff. Okay?
All right.
That's about all you're going to do in the admin stuff. Okay.
Get out of here.
Yeah. So you can close that. Now let's go log into Walkup account. Okay. Let's not run in VNMR1. Okay. Let's run into Walkup. Actually, let's go open up Walkup. I want to go ahead and open up VNMRJ. I want to show you the configuration file so we can go over that.
So how do we log out?
What do you mean? Oh, we'll get to that in a minute.
Okay.
We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, now when you come up, you're going to see the same thing in yours, okay? This is a template. There's a 2-page template. It explains a lot of the boxes to you so that if you don't understand them or you forgot what the different areas are. But again, when we bring up the display, you got your experiment selector here. You've got drop-down menus on the top bar. You have command length line entry area. And for your graphics, it's either going to be data or spectra. Okay. Files and stuff. Then your experiment panels come up down here with the different levels, and we'll walk through all those when we get on. Toolbar down here, and that's for several different features. And your acquisition stats tells you what's going on. Down the bottom is a message box where you get warnings and errors and parameter information comes up. We'll show you that. Okay. And then if you click on that next arrow, take a look at that. Okay. This will allow you actually get to, it's a good tool for you to actually get some idea on how to run through all this. A quick 6-step on how to run this, okay? If you want to close that, go up and hit the X, okay? That'll take the template on, okay? Now, you're going to see something that's a little bit different on here. Now, I
Okay,
changed...
hold on a second. Did you say go into the walk-in account? We didn't do that, right?
We didn't yet.
Okay, all right.
We didn't yet because I wanted him to go in and I want you guys
Yeah,
to
that's
go in
fine.
and
I
look
just
at
wanted to make sure I knew what we were doing here.
configuration. So to look at system configuration, go to Edit, go to the Edit drop-down menu. Okay, go all the way to the bottom to System Settings. Okay, click on it. Okay, here brings up the system configuration. Okay, and then if you click on System Configuration, okay, this should be spectroscopy, gradient amplifiers on, and that's about it. And we have a BT cutoff. That cutoff is where we go between high and low temperature in that gas line. Okay, that's not a temperature cutoff limit. Okay, I thought it was.
I see.
Okay, I later did some reading on it and learned that that's a cutoff line of where that thing switches between high and low gas. That bucket, okay, and I'll talk about BT later, has the ability, gives you the ability to do both high and low temperature experiments.
Really?
Yes.
How high? Or just 2 settings, high and low? Or...
No. You set it by temperature.
Wow.
So yeah.
So how low of a temperature can you go?
I think
Below
it's like
room
minus. I think it's minus 50 to like 80. Plus 80.
Plus 80
but
degrees.
I want to clear it.
Yeah.
Clarify before you go too far.
So where does it get the cooling
From
from?
what I've been using, what do you mean?
How does it cool it?
Let's get to that first, okay? I just want to explain some of that. I'm going to go through a lot of this step by step, okay?
That changes things. Maybe I will be a more of a user.
Okay, so now go click on consistent configuration. Okay, in here, this tells you how your instrument's set up. It's set up as a spectrometer, a broadband mercury, okay, 300 megahertz. Okay, that should not be there. That's why that's not there. Okay, VT has to be present. Okay, sample changer is not present. Sample changer, serial ports none. Your shim says 14 shims, variant 14 shims. That's this last board in the rack here on the extreme right hand side. Okay, your pulse field grading is a Performa 1, and this value here sets where that entire spectrometer window is looking. Okay, right now we have you set to where the water peak is dead center. As the magnet drifts, okay, and your spectra start to shift in, you know, Bruker had 9,999 units to go on Z0 adjust. Well, Varian's only plus or minus 247, 2,047, okay? So there's not a lot of room. But what Varian gives you is via this lock-free command to adjust the spectrometer window so that you get your solvents back into the center of the window. Okay. And then this is setting the max decoupler power.
So
That's
you'll want to
standard in
change
the
that
system.
lock frequency based on the solvent you're using?
No. You change that value as your solvents start to hit the end of the window. Okay? As the magnet drifts, your Z0 for your solvents are going to change. Okay? When you start to approach the upper end of your Z0 window, then you would go in and use this value, adjust this value, okay, and adjust the spectrometer and get your water peak back to the center of the spectral window. Okay? I'll actually walk you through and show you that here.
That's when we're shimming it?
No, not when you're shimming. This is after long-term use.
Okay.
This is after the system being here for maybe a year. You notice, acetone's on the upper end, and if I let it go another 3 months, I'm going to have trouble with acetone finding lock.
I see.
Then you would adjust your lock frequency so that you bring all your solvents back to the center of the window.
Okay.
Okay? Because acetone on this system, acetone's going to be high. CDCl3 is going to be on the other end. D2O is going to be in the middle. So what we do is we put a D2O sample and D2O and water sample in the magnet. Okay? I open the spectral window up to 100 kilohertz. Okay? And then I adjust that water peak so I have my water peak with a 100K window. It's sitting dead on that 50K marker at the center of the screen. Okay? My D2O ring out will be very, very close to Z0 at 0. Okay? Right now, D2O is ringing out at minus 100. Okay? Don't want to mess with it. So if I go above that, I'll ring out acetone. If I go below that, I'll ring out CDCl3. Okay? And this is why this is why any one of those windows can be changed and you can loop up the instrument. And that's why I say don't look, students use this, but use this account. Okay? So go ahead and click cancel.
So other accounts won't be able to make adjustments?
We're going to go in and we're going to verify that. Okay?
So, do we want to press OK since we changed this?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely, yes, we did. I don't know why that was not in there. It shouldn't, the way it was going, it shouldn't have even responded, but I got it controlling earlier, so maybe I mistakenly had something set up earlier. Okay, so. All right, let's log off of. All right, when I go, let's cover this first. Anytime I do any shimming, okay, the easiest way to move stuff copy stuff from one account to the other is to just go in the account. I copied these 4 shim files, okay, and then I went up here, I went into here, I went down to shims. And I pasted them all there, okay? If you don't do that, okay, then these shim files aren't available to everybody else. They're only available to BNMR1, and that's why BNMR1 has to copy appropriate things to the main directory. So all you have to do is you can do these like that, then you would go in and copy, okay? And then go to the directory you want to, okay? That's all you gotta do.
And for example, if you went to his directory, his Cornwall directory that he just made, and you just paste them right in the Cornwall folder.
No, you don't want to paste them in there. You can, but it's not necessary. As long as they're pasted into VNMR 4.2 shim
That's where
directory,
it's gonna start everybody else at.
it goes there. The hierarchy when it goes looking for things looks user first, main directory second. Okay. If it doesn't find it, it'll give you a message to find it. Okay? That's when you want to go back to your command line and see if you typed it right. Okay. If you know it's there, you want to make sure you typed it right. It shows you didn't find it. Okay. But that's the hierarchy. So that's why if you reshim the system, you also want to make sure that anybody that has an update shims, anybody that has shim files within their own account, they want to clear those shim files. They're not calling old shim files, okay? Because if they don't clear them, it calls user first, okay? They'll never see the new files, okay? So under BNMR1, you can make parameter file adjustments on standard parameters, test parameters, and things of that nature. Copy them to the main directory or things like that, or saving them to the main directory. Copy your shim files.
His shims
Copy
for
your
Cornwall will be
in his
user shim.
in his user shim directory.
Click on Cornwall
Yeah.
folder, and then there'll be a shims folder.
There will be a shim folder.
And
Yeah.
so-
We're going to go in there and show you that.
There's nothing in there right now.
So if you want to
So-
log off of BNMR1, okay?
It's at the far
close
right over
window.
there.
Okay. There's two ways to close it. You either click on the X or you can go into that file menu and the exit BNMR is on the very bottom of the drop down menu. Okay. Now go up to system. Okay, and go down to log out of BNMR1. Okay? Do not switch user.
Really? Doesn't work?
I don't believe so. It's done things we don't want it to do. Okay?
All right.
So now,
Did you forget?
Have to make a new one.
all right.
Now, when people
then,
forget passwords, are we going to be able to get in there or what? Well, I don't know.
as long as you know the root password, you can go back and fix it.
You can go to other people's passwords and fix their passwords for
Right,
you.
you would have to go
Oh,
to
that's
the
right.
terminal and change password,
Yeah.
just like we set up before. Okay.
All right. So now we can go into VNMRJ
Okay, so-
or no?
BNMRJ. I should bring up that template. Okay.
We've seen it before.
And once you're tired of seeing that, you can click on this and that overlay won't come up anymore.
Okay.
But if you want to bring it back, there is an option to bring that overlay back on the views.
Okay.
Okay? So now you're looking at your standard setup. Again, remember this is the experiment tree. I want you to expand these.